Alright, sharpening customer dropped this off. You can maybe see it's a bit of a banana. It's a factory knife. The edge is pretty banged up. Not only are there chips in there, but it's baconed a little bit too. It's kind of like twisted at the edge, and it's got a missing tip. So, yeah, straighten it out on the anvil, and then we'll reprofile it, fix the tip, thin the geometry, and get it back to work. Let's do it. I really feel like I'm chosen, yeah. Falling out like I'm the And there it is. Alright, straighten spine, new tip, edge fixed, geometry fixed. It's like brand new. Better than new. That's why you bring them to me. Alright?